Epi kubu loti kubu nezo uyuma kola resari nena chise kanye kule halete terele mameni ai nyama neso mujilma kapo ojilma kale jamali kature ni nkura ngamde gangani kamtwala yunda kamina velem zoya oyoyoy abola maone bonjirma kabakwana nga kashirbe wani enyaru nwa ngore kumpama nangde abatawa ai ne ya saya yetu adi ya bian kabor ne zan start program ma de baba ne yiri shel ne zan to bian ma to ama yen chela muswan ka sura ne na won tum tinye fulwana na lafiya kala dab selma ta pana ka tara ta walga banci ka cinya sa haka ne zumo inda ya ku yan fumu ka fa ka caka mina san ha ka ta lam ta fal alqawl la din yadne ti yan fumu ka fa jabar na kan kudura na ta tamlana te ne bollan won ce mina san ha ne viyata tana won gafara ka ta kana ta san ne ta bosin yanya tin to fal alqawl dan bama masa shal kamza hafizu yaramiya ni so ka pibru puni so ka tuhbru puni ka so pangman puni karanan hatta nan mamman bannan da amfani lalan ni manan mu masa ha ka ta pangman puni ka ta nan ma ka ban sun ka tri mala ka fam ka ta mala ka arziki ka ta mala ya be ka ya ka ta mala jabar na kan kudura na ta tamlana te ne bollan ma ka dar ya puni karanan ma ya ka ta pa gutul ni ma ka lafsar pabu na jama'an zan da tro da ma da samsum kan munu ya tabarakallah bana masababi ya puni ka hafizu kana Allah na puka pa wapam saha shel kamza hakantin yi saha be kantin yi zazanin wama intir la bana mayala ya bambana min bambanum chanciyama ta surum na wanca karanya la bufu ya ta bambana min tin manum na biya ta surum no cha katmin bazaha katashin na ne ka bor ka tutunya ka bor ka tne to ka bor ka tne to na anga fara bana matakka hanan ya shel o yin litatiya tabarakallah samami abu min wanda duwa dira akuto ban wundable hafizun to ku bala ma kalihu yere nira kartinya la mulunye wundable wa ammi konko yin ta'abi hago ya rezo sama okay yeto awa ala karapune Yulubunu Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Face si topi na nyasi yanga bilicin bi debuk bisang karasu goble bombarle ne torle anab no hongar mu har ya pupa na TV zo chaka so palga karam malanya la kunyo cho gole yati ma ka bang na balama apia ayanga atuzo aponzo sumna TV zo bi yurgoma abnya alama no kamno chan makka jira nabi yusuf shifa biam bi akarapuni ne durgo so to gobla alquran no kun fayakunu no zazo katabu kafne ne kanala tabarakallah dede ma ka goma ya abugum yedde de ma ka goma ya obugum temoko bang ne dede ma ko goma ya dene NTV TV te station din yar abal ma ya na won ga fara da ban pam ya ne nirna danga gom de kalami di pati yar se ko fal on danga ne bu ya ne tun mi ko pa bi barci ka bi tala ho ta ban barci sham babu dan bandin chehra TV te sana mamma ma ka goma tumo bian me ka na bawo no bian to ama ba san hanin mer so su jadda ne sallama nyala anna muhammadu to TV station ne mamman gil ka goma ya dene NTV ka program ma mi ka ta kan yu bolen den chana ka be TV station shal den kam na punyala ma okay right about now so program na won ka fara wula kat ya yen no ti ya yen dedicated to the good people inside and of East region man purgu ya almo ma bala ma ya but before kan na nya ha so program ma den yen santi chansha ya ne ya ko borma na bang na me na Zen Food Spices nte pa lisi tomato mix la nyala ka Mr. Red Motors nte pa Prosta Joy ka be arzikiti ma puno ka program ma ka de kan na ma ya all right on a very quick one ma na kunyala anyanya okay ende la talan kalabna kana yala programa ni yancha ba before kana de talan maya some special announcement kana borna nan amliya jabu shalen yan nan la amliya jabu ma talah nyale nan da announcement ta ya because into so pa yan nan amliya ma da ba banda irin wula bosu mamman yanko pa kun ma ngune yangune Rafik Mahama Rufai la Rafik Mahama ma ta yitar lan bala ko bi Accra ko bi Ibrahim Mahama ko mo yuma Ibrahim Muhammad da balam baya wa docteur san bela ko minu bien im yele Ibrahim mama aba understand plan ne jine busuma jo mama tusuma la dagla lan ma so amle ma kom yu ba amle nyele ti buru be sha kom ne to mo nguna sa yi mi amle ma ne ka he kaso comes on with tankana to send mania and of course yes Rafik Mahama o yen tola to so pa ya ngone Ibrahim Samata na won gafara yes Rafik Mahama yen nyala dem be zugbeli behind ganim yadama kada kumri Sheikh Tahir yen mambalama zugbeli na won ne besungu ka amaliya malen loya okay kata people mblema mi to problem ma mi ngone Ibrahim Samata o yen gela Bonza Rural Bank opposite ma Palmang Billy na won ga fara ni ma na karbeya ay ko wata wasa pal dango ma Bonza Rural Bank ni ma na kasamata yung beya Allah redal ka amliya ma yendo na ambi song Allah mo yes so Ibrahim Muhammad Rafiq nta pa Ibrahim Samata neta tableka ban kaman amliya ma nyala biani ya okay, I'm but I'll take it as it influence on the program. Yes, before can I tell them I can let you go about the fancy Ganam concert shedding Naya Sankara Yilma, Kabopol, one ton concert, my t-shirts nearly done already. Walawasi collection and Walawasi production is bringing you that one too. Now, when there's something if you pago on the 13th from Balama, a Sabra Sheldon Kana, the Delka program, Makarian, and reading about the t-shirts, then you let them be Walawasi collection, t-shirts, the Punjina, and Nichan producer Flash on the since Kinyala t-shirts. So, one ton concert inside Naya Sankara Yili, t-shirts, man, you let them strictly for the good people in Yindi. Now, something if you pago on the 13th from Balama, the let us program. Okay, and the throne concert is also coming to on the 21st August in Balama. Now, wouldn't something if you paga King of the 69 Empire, Macasio concert manual than the Kukana, Mumia attack another free concert in the no, I'm sure that's a joke of a time. Laden Mamuna Tuli Cavent, I'm not sure it's a concert, so forget that one. Yes, another show Shanadan Kanaya, Laden Mamuna, I won't go for any yellow t-shirt can you and I got for now something if you pago on that special dema to hit Pulu, Mampugu Yalamambala. But before Kanala interview Mumana Kanaya, there's a great talent of an artist coming through from the Mampugu Yalamama. I mean, this young guy, one of the guys can respect it lyrically. I mean, trust me, that guy is mature. When you listen to his song, either it is a love song, either it is an emotional song, either it is even a German song, you will get the lyrics of maturity in it. Senior Bonjara, there's all the Banana senior Nepal, even when they were a group, jumping on the song, you can see the difference in maturity as he presents his lyrics. This time around, he's going solo, and the Danan Katare go winning artist of the year. So he's the reigning artist of the year of this region, Yalama Zahanan Bayindini. And again, the main vocalist of the year, Balama, another title called Hey! Senior Bonjara drop la yil palle kabol and dedene smiling and to say no rapun drop yil palle kabol and me okay before then maurala drop yil shell kabol and old soldier to do punaka battle na mara bi katraya par gahan gansuma kachebiare tera welga sa son pia unyela ngulla la na another song kabol and smiling kama na punyela ma tiem premiere la video ma kasan show shell den ye show jago ye non wali yung tundon ma tolia dene Rasti represent the large and in charge o drop la album kabol la album one Fakaria, Karanan Kataraka Alba Masuna Yen Wali Sports Stadium. Now, when is out in Yefia Paga, Asabra Sheldon Kana on the 14th from Balamaya, the Malbukata, the Chilla Shumapuni, in Yenya artist Shaban supporting management man and ready sham for fans ma, the little Simpson fans mark at the sport. Ticket Yala, rate man Yala, then the time, then the float beer, Yetamaya the Punia. So we're looking at that as well. And for that matter, Rasti mean conform Mazaha, when Yalaban Tenaba, before Rasti Nantena, the mean Bunjara Pohaya Yotabakati Yalaba smiling. Katiyel about artist of the year Shirunda Winma and a whole lot. Mampunyela Yemen as in food spices. Lizzie Tomato Mix and Tapa Mr. Ren Mutus, Lalanya Caposta Joy, Kababama Arsikitimana program Maka, the Kanamaya, the Chankantaga, a minute of a brick at Trendamaya and Tikia, Kalabna, Nilabna, Kamin Senior, Bon Jara. We're talking about smiling in a minute.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Epsonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Epsonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if your people want to buy motor, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajeviela Konsashi, Nigera Shelwanyela Yung Saborle, Ate Ima Karabara, Yingba Makaragarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalia Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Shapta Motonema, Tangamoto Mangakache twice. Domipa Wago Blanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Guzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamalza, Bumper kana zuya ni Mr. Red be na kwaje enterprise kan kamien dol Absonic moto num polonguna ben laba vimvimani moto manga araha biare guzul dina nye Absonic moto num ngo Absonic dangma moto num zoya pam amani yela biala dina nye Absonic V5 Star Beyond C5 dem Michel Weljirala kan pernum ngo boar le pam habi dunjin de sogba be shebu tomi Absonic moto kianum biani alo ba de nye combien la ne rebel pam ni rida Absonic moto tesane chirata susuna katien service le traiwele domin de paton manga biani karize ne te kala paton le kam kazonzon gelenyele chirata susuna kamoto ngoy mel mosugo anto labsna katata Mr. Red be na kwaje enterprise sanan tuna chang ante wil piga Absonic moto kama mbora kaba nondon tu kama tamata domin Absonic tuma do so karlama basatela Mr. Red be na kwaje enterprise ne kwara Absonic moto ngo internir kam dagban waza Mr. Red be na kwaje san maka icha alanye beneli motos dagba kul palbe showroom ma chamte wil pargam blamal RFT 150 mapuka NNT 150 NNT 150 sports garviel fini to denka jiabara Luciano Babiane passa kamboarle TRK 251 dama moto balbo kam balle Absonic moto ngo ne benali moto ngo za Mr. Red shop mani Mr. Red shop ma biela waterworks ayi twapolo sergerna yagana wata original laboratory ma katuru moto kwa soma to Mr. Red shi twama mbala ami yi tampuni be waterworks sergerna Mr. Red shi twama min feel free ba ma balataba wa ma Mr. Red shi twama yala wannan banam yala 0243 137223 ne 020 6136 730
Saya Waruma Yakuba ya Saya Meme ya menacing food spices Lizzie tomato mix to pa Mr. Red Motors ne posta join ma Bambe azikiti mapuno ka programu maka de kanna maya on a very quick one man punyela yes hakane we come into the studio senior bonjara nyala mo bienia yes senior bonjara de nyawula
the so
ya
na ikone
yindu masa nyawula ala fe bene ya ndawe ni ya labla ankara pulubu
and I would channel 1212 for a video pilot.
Oh, okay. Oh, video maso kila channel karama.
No, video shama years no that point channel Accra first.
Okay.
So Accra sharing that home channel as a second video standard and channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This time around, it looks so serious. I mean, you seem to be working around. Akuzor maganda projects tumaka akutumda.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your management now.
Yeah.
I mean, akonko na kutumna be apamala management shagalegra.
Oh, yeah. Team man ngona but ready.
Okay.
Then at the same time, you to my team kaka ngonya manager, ngonya piaro, ngonya so but I conclude the team man.
Okay.
So to kunya that team yet at the same time kama shiba wapuna kawanya manager. Yeah.
Okay. Very well. Jana kana katana pile. Mbona na ara ko yile mo matama. I mean, osu jama. I mean, yetu ara.
Osu jama.
Osu jama mbona na. Kabiara oi.
Bolo on the beat. Senior Bonjar Hanagin.
Allah biare.
So is a hit. Only me win the game.
Aya.
Nabanang yampagam baba.
Umuna.
Amayung ndwaziya. Kama bachana tumapinya.
Ay.
Mwani yele mambia. Irabinang yampamaya. Amalende apinya. Lende zankatari na panga. Lentum ninkura jilma. Ibabukata samal bioya.
Ay.
Mbogba no andi tiare yeah mbogba bu ndi tiare yeah kala sigirin sigma se mama hey amba babu ma sigma se mama hey kala sigirin sigma se mama hey amba babu ma sigma mama yurum bon ma Senior Bonma, Yurunduro Zurma, also never die. Ganaza Bansela Mania Bana.
Okay, teacher.
Soon Kazo Kandas in the one.
Oh,
but dear you a number of
Kai.
More come to Mamaya. Sazu Aman Loba, Tambaran Zulmamandia, Banjala and Jixa Sudira, so Yurmakame Bia, Milkiti Yamakame Dema Ona, the Zo Yurmakame Bia, Milkiti Yamakame Demla, Mambela. And Zalaka Shafi Mamma Unekan and day. Ava Mulan Tevagata Bulla like a Kachan Katom Zalayuri. Ava Dumblamana Bandivida man now, China one Palapuri. Yadam Nebano, second Yadam Nebano, second Yadam Nebano.
Me laugh is this guy is outstanding, and this particular song, then you also there's a whole lot in that song. Let's look at the performance of that song and that problem and return the performance to the fans.
But Ntuntiana la Unmania, you shaka, you are surun to my pa because. The banda beda shiri.
Yes.
So kati gina with that song.
Okay.
Ka you are so pumped ma because it go hare Gio system mara no follow a system marma. Compare manda beda shiri. The difference. So behind you ma mo you better can first you can drop it.
Okay.
So can you are so chances season to ma it's not small thing.
Wow.
So believe couple.
Very well. Soldier. Let's look at you as a solo artist. I mean, it had been a group, I mean, Dahanshele, and it was a great group of you guys. Teach on solo. Let's look at you as a solo. Okay, but then I so then I'm in plans come on in the Lamna be so come
no to total and Lamna Carina Lamna my collaboration songs maybe it can happen at any time. To son to feel who non collabo song with maybe the rapper or who feel no collabo, but the Lamna together as Dahanshele one I don't think. The diamond the part.
But for now, you are just a solo artist.
No, yeah.
So, what's the experience like? Ampanya Kunkuma, I mean, record she, performance she, any difference?
Yeah, I'm busy from this time around.
Okay.
Because the mandanya dance, the Tenantumpa, same Kasobu, trouble Latin in unit.
Okay.
Be Ndabola, me Malan show Kaburi Benny, but Manchana with solo man, near Abdukoto, Nala busy all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, never invite them for shows. And then in the same time, Kangbala Marama projects and Ranra, Karinyala come maybe Marshupa.
Yeah.
So it's a busy map and Armanda Pedansi.
Oh, okay, okay. Then that means, but challenges Bakana, the Malmosu, Anya Kunkuma.
Oh, come on.
Maybe sometimes I to later a performance, maybe I've worked with Shan so no.
Oh, no. Because we see Benny who. Chana ila pia zambu shantu soko zala kaza shantu soko kuzala kaza anyevu na ikuzala iko kwa maka nukula behino. So manya haza manya kala nova.
Okay. All right. That's your group man to kukale
because also you are so intimate pam.
Okay.
Na tunti anenda guru tamalwa ikwe paya hasila Dahanshele but this time around lugur kam kan chana so blame mother senior board so and then yeah ka fans mala increase so any corners are senior board mambanga and no also just create chance no
was ni man ka yulima
yeah picky
okay
so every corner so blame mother Dahanshele pa so people don't work blue on the beam okay also yeah especially me yeah
we talk about that one of course man yes but I mean, you are very experienced in the music industry. Young, Hal Ankara, I mean, Mampu Yadamasa. That will have some time. You are assessing, come on, generally, especially now that Northeast Pamela regionally.
Yeah.
We like assessing the man in music, man, fans, artists, man, and entertainment in general.
Iguara Northeast entertainment map Maria. Okay. Nuntu yani kama ne Ghana, each and one Ghana za. It's like North. Ka music ma bene and then di kunya la 3 groups in laba di pa Asanti ka Batagba ngona Mampuru the whole Ghana.
Okay,
so this time around I monitor Northeast music ma ka Malaya I mean ka man to solve him at upon hard working so this time believe any man very hot music ma in China because this time track nice venue me Pamala venue sha ka la hale ko bor nearly 10,000 ka Pamasa tuncha. So the checker music mama in Pansala busy. So this time around believe enough is music from Katai for the channel.
Alright, very well. And I mean fans but they are loving that you guys are working hard. I'm sorry in your secret man because fans mama understand how they're doing is good man. They're really supporting you guys. Because in China a couple of times and come to the situation I really never know. Fans should support that and that one is good.
Yes.
I plan to have a show, big concert. I mean because after split man when I have a concert
no yeah
okay
no yeah so kind of plan it back because yeah
okay
no yeah as well when no shoes come up for
okay on your own shoes
yeah my mama shoes
okay good so when are you attendance
oh yeah I ma nerve pongon da I floating dum masa ne ila show ma manga dra kadima de mi this time I meet the one do rura sometimes kana yeli na man kulma na no mama public when I'm the king so muso da be but na marhu mola ntuzo bisima na ba shoes ma ko mini
yes
so after that I think maybe
Abanegina supposed to jump. Okay.
So
tena go the one actually. Yes, the one from where na actually yeshiri. Tena go the one actually. Tena ncherin sani mania. Yes, that's very great. Okay. Tell me nyanya. Competition da kana. I mean, Northeast Music Awards da kana.
Okay.
And they're very keen, very keen. Yala rabe repunu pam. Kakaduma da amali yapa because artists Japan da biema, especially into every single category that I knew artist of the year. Category artist of the year. I mean, Anlema, I yelled Nazo, senior.
Yeah.
I deserve them all right. Be Grano, you trash background work about some of
I was more yet to a year I live.
Okay.
I was more yet to a year I live. I had justice casing.
Okay.
Because my believable citizen and deserve, even my mom and dad believe to come and deserve the award.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But later, my nation man come and awards man deserve and a fans man that check and because trust me, dear Major now up to now, no see what I Benny. Uncle vote a screenshot 500 Ghana cities, 600 Ghana cities, cast send messages man. Countries were up to now coming young Banglaland Masiba. Up to now, never bang banda voter Maza Shiba. Yes, Karkunyala, number my countries go very picky, live by and by Catubla Chanaba. Up to now, countries and yes, Kablan Burumbong. So then Maganda believe that no, then I won't make that deserve man because. Nervi and Nepuno deserving and then cabinet hardworking.
Yeah.
Then Mbatin don't channel. So I want my man that I'm believing and that deserve and that's why I want it.
Oh, definitely. And it's not just artist of the year. I had to mean vocalist of the year. Lala vocalist of the year. I'm sure that I'll be like how many categories will you got?
Nabella 3 categories.
3.
Yeah.
Artist of the year, male vocalist of the year,
best video of the year, also your video.
Oh, okay. All right, and you got 2 out of 3.
Yeah.
Oh no, don't wanna. That was an excellent.
Yes.
I mean, I had that the 3 months.
Yeah.
Trana Uba was. I was all right. Tell me you shall entrepreneur. I mean, smiling. We all know that. Titling a song is part of the song.
Yeah.
Sometimes titling is part of making the song a hit.
Yeah.
Can you look up and smile?
Yeah.
So me slim better.
Yeah. No. So me slim
smiling. Come on, smiling.
Come on. Yeah, kalak permanent. But then you want to sell man. Come on. The original word man. Then come on. La Musa. La Musa. Come on all the time. Or la robe
Musa.
Or la robe larma. So can you see one la?
The title.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it a love song?
Yeah, love song yaka.
Okay, so people make a box section.
Yeah, you yaka. Yani tamshaza the man la kaman over no free no money. So kamburu bang manda busi nyala kaman. Sanshi kam de tunu la musa.
Okay.
Wa munache aya smile kakra.
Okay.
Se kakra mame.
Okay.
Hesu kanyala sumitre kajweni.
Okay.
Kampontre. Wa munache smile.
Okay.
Kaman aji sulma tu biala so tunu
la musu. La kamburu manyatima. Ya biu kuvera. Bibio smile ra.
Iya sana.
Badi kamona. The Simpson the Taj Kazaki. Yes. Smile ra. Yes, let's see there one jara. Just a minute, you know title man smiling, and the reason for it it is a love song, of course. To go and take a break, got the la video mama can yell katana love and yell video ma yeto. There's still a whole lot to talk about. Was senior in the industry ma amana yell sang tabaya. So we'll come back after this break. We're talking about smiling. Tell love now.
My baby, you make me feel good. Feel good. My baby, you make me feel good. I have appetite on bed. My baby, you make me feel my baby, you make me feel it more. You make me happy like payday, payday, payday. That's why they sing like Mukis, Mukis, yeah, Mukis. I'm happy like payday, payday, payday. That's why they sing like Mukis, Mukis, yeah, Mukis. Little my Benny, this what the baby, mini so them sasa yatimana. Don't go to Shelanya, Uzur the Bimbalenti, Wamona just Malia. Shrink a crime, my mama, Nengia, my baby, Wamona just Malia. My baby, Wamona just Malia. Shrink a crime, my mama, Nengia, my sweetie, Wamona just Malia. My baby, Wamona just Malia. Shrink a crime, my mama, Nengia, my sweetie, Wamona just Malia. Fantastic, Kamala Jelly, Kamazanti. No belly added to no one, Damata, no one for the Kalma. Hello, my baby, yeah, you look so beautiful. My sexy girl, you be sweet by sugar. You be already made, God bless you one more time. Obabeni, Alphabeni, when it's a crowd, Timmy, who's a tuni. Obabeni, Alphabeni, when it's a crowd, Timmy. Babeni, Alphabeti, only to crowd to be Wamona just Malia. Srinka Krama, me, Mama Nengia, my baby Wamona just Malia. My baby Wamona just Malia. Srinka Krama, me, Mama Nengia, my sweetie Wamona just Malia.
For spices, Lizzie tomato mix, and Tepa Mr. Red Motors, the poster join them. Manda Punyala is on the Balama, but Roman no common do to Noyabo, Eurobom, Catulum Blaine, Yoko, Yentiasia, Commander Simpson Ufa, Gubia, Twama, Layla, Barabo Fiabu, who was and Moko say, Twama, Yetwaba Berapuna cut the one that yellow video, standard of a video, visuals manual quality, Bon Jara, I mean. Chanson cinema Paripada. No, cinema Simpson and Pada. One of the mayor Shamama Simpson is senior Pahadu. I mean, let's talk about the video. So, man, on a standard quality engineer will the first.
Stone Beam,
Yabama.
Papa.
What are you, Stone Beam? We are here to Papa.
Get to have a. Me when you see my sometimes we the la artist, so
okay, sure.
Sometimes in one panya Pikurma, who artist somewhere in China.
Yeah,
the Beneka in there, China, the maybe
Sabra.
Yeah, so hotel one like this. My book calls to not to work in the Kunya oh, Chamna because we mean China now.
Okay,
so we have brought apartment money.
Oh, okay, okay. Then the video director, man, we direct the video, man. I mean, it is a standard video.
Okay, video director, man. You correct.
Okay.
But then lady saying yala manager ma one contact to
okay
that to shoot a video ma so one mama you ma banker.
Okay. But can you only you?
No, Accra.
Yes. Okay, that's real. That's real. Video mama Accra king man.
Yeah.
That means how lady so won't be the punuma can you be a manager dabu?
Yeah, that lady ma go manager dabu. Me tuma tano want to be a party channel the man. Kayo amin bo da ji je ki doyan relax ra kawai jinin babu yara so mana ta kushi ne kawai ji ba bi chobe hin chana ka ti chambo location na
I mean trust me management master and her team master, congratulations to you guys. You guys did a very wonderful job on it, man. If a song is standard and classic like that, man, he explaining enhancing the promotion, man. There's something in your quality video today, and you guys didn't disappoint. And he has given the credit back to you that hey, how long could be remember? I mean, the video director when you build a pony location, when Shah comes down, he got then Belama, he brought big ups to you. Mostly this one come and sometimes you need people that will support you, man. But you understand the maturity level and can project kabi money and develop on the project ma kan maturity very poor, especially this video ma video one told me Lola come asking ku yar mama any video man flash it Lola comes and had told me talking about the sound, talking about the visuals, talking about lyrics and be everywhere the video can play. Big ups to you and the team ma. Yes, teach them to nyanya. I mean murafi to have in
No, yetu asisi vene iguara la munafiki kama mana bukata. So
mana bukata. Mami, especially fans ma sometimes uyiri yalla la yetu ama.
Yeah. Batobura. Kabur banyak ka clear ni. So diko ngi ibu se ka make clear. Babantu nya.
Nunguma bunu karmalla kamane mampugu yalama ibanye kaman senior artist ma. La envy of the young guys that is coming through. So we be supported about. I mean, I won't
but the cotton car, the woman la talia to ama. Okay. The Manchakala man, the man, so many, the Malani Sashiva, when you go see the Kajaji.
Okay.
Some Venezuela pay before can I judge. So many Okuni appearance, then you buy Manshim Janisim and we can conclude that you contact Yakaza, Mambo Sima Kutona.
Okay.
Not knowing that. In 2 years, when you see Katuka Utapala.
Okay.
So if you're away, Katis no, buy any senior boss, maybe you one your big artist or no, when you could solve a problem, then you are wrong.
Yes.
But only contact me.
Sure.
So that any Panyanga ya no really then be so Benma keep and 2 years, then that contact Yakazamwa, we are local no one.
Okay.
But they could feel it, I'm paying your local second ones at then. You cause a problem.
But it's not available.
Yes, the problem.
Okay.
So that problem. But it's into password. Ni empowerment no solve the problem. Tika, but no.
Wow.
Never know that happen because I have so many artists in office with you.
Okay.
For collaborate matter.
Okay. Young guys.
Yes.
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 People no shangabi. You know shanga.
Yes.
And well, makaman two be one artist so when you young one coming no.
One who equal him risky.
Okay.
Risky boy, man on me you.
Okay. What then you be
one thing in life.
Okay.
A man guy saw a b-boy. Come on, what's in the pen, Canabina.
Okay.
Yana
that's
Iva, Mario.
Iva, okay.
Many artists to marry you, and then guy on my Urbo. Then you no problem. Maybe
but how go to my no go on no show because now you to ama won be the pam. And how go to over. Di pa shele mama banya shahara. Yes, but mama no go yele. And no go clarity on that one man. Yes, the level wa me. I mean me ya. Drama la kaman asaka.
Tanya.
Drama la asaka na ile me. I mean them mama no be shama me ya. And I want in the Yamana, but Cartoon no Lorny.
Yes,
no Lorma. It was difficult coming on the show, ma. Maybe. Oh, okay. Do as a Sakarano.
Serious.
Cartoon ni mo.
I didn't ni mo. Emalaba because Mazio Yini. Kona come kai kuine yira. Maybe. So Kajala song believe couple.
No, of course.
And video magba
standard.
Believe couple.
No, of course.
Yes.
The video man we male.
That Anas
na male. Anas mo pa plan we suni yimam pruguna. Uko gurgulu ma. Ma video tout le tout. La obi.
No.
Fansigaram na kunyongo yongo.
Oi.
Fansigaram video yembal. Oh, Daratanas. On zoom gli yongo sa pour camera na.
Ama ntuzora ka problem la. No. Man believe we to ashanya lan tisia I chako nanganyai. Acho ko ninyam.
Okay.
Ka problem. Mimi ni seba bako ben artist de masiba ben ba buru ba spender le gro. Babola Allah too much.
Okay.
So is an alarm power na.
It depends on your budget.
Ko gwa is an last season channel no tumti yo ma. Anya style. Inya kari mano datine be to asha. Mimi ni gada mama kusa kaza ala halgrin chan.
No,
ko gwa buru kala quality so.
Yes. I'm good to la kama ne kom video shiro ma wona Israhim men fancy gada ma video shimo ma. I mean no video this time around no you talk about that this time was his power. Just that the way but two no camera no that tarabu. Me bien na bala abu kuliyum kalamna.
Camera the mangona azanwa.
Du pasane
ya busil kurasi sa.
Yes, yo tomala pa ngora no tomala pa.
La
kabela yel ma chéri.
Ma propos awe.
Ma propos a.
Okay.
Ay, kama pour bela gum de dam.
Wona bela la manwa.
Anye. Chakantiga kabang the Tincharkano Kuguma on NTV. Menasen food spices and Tapa Lisi tomato mix. Nalanyala ka Mr. Red Motors and Tapa Posta Joy. Kababe Asikiti Mapuna Kaprogram Maka the Kanamaya. One-on-one interview Katamal with Mone. Senior Bone Jara. Anti-Tiwu. Okay. The Hanshel Group Mapunu Koda Bayana. Wonga Fara. Kasata Bagan Sokam Walbuni. Mpiga on Yazamba Pashapulu. Imazala Tarflana. Benny Young Gurama Mania. But welcome Yakataba. Who stand on alone. And to know that drop a yearly. Kabola Yilaman O Suja. It was a banga. Next one, Makakana Wedene. Another one came to Kabola and Mimia. And again, Ulala Mana Yilpal, Kabol and the smiling. It is a love song, of course. Karafish was Mammy Bipomble, so be in the Makunkuna, one Gafara, then Yala Yilama stand up Ninja Shelia. And again, yes, Ninte Makabang the Tukumu Maya, and the Fansma, Ni Sara Diri Yilan the Masha Maya, no Malshin now wouldn't penny, in Shama Lafu, Nidi Nunka Figo Fibiela, Ni Kapiwali. Wali Sports Stadium ya nothing said record shall then break so we waited then ma but didn't cut and drop yil shamoma kanon corsene dena umbormana sab number moson ya then 054 127 3370 again 054 127 3370 last sub number one ya 0270 433 49 Ima WhatsApp kabora be akwe call mo kay sina bunjara and the bora yila mo ka call title simple go send the tire has social media handles been anto to YouTube anto check out on Facebook Instagram be Twitter kabora you can follow this young superstar kamino po hayo retap katinya de yen chan venya ngasham the sama garama but quick one ma before katana chaw sina bun Atisonya ngomba show after this mo aku move no bani yankana I readiness for the show because me na biele la show man and aku yelta na supporter la young guys ma if be pa gamba la ma abe show mo ma puni den ka na yel fans ma sa ha those who are coming through
man kumare to ashani yel fans ma za nyela Rasti show ma fakari album launch ma
very well
nyela no so mo ya bela show man so if film kamini kamande e boruman pro support nka problem that day ma e pai Yampang Yamanga, 14th August, la.
Yeah, 14th. Aha. 14th from Kulama, 14th Fakara album Glasty. Good represented.
Can meet Bonjara Bene, Katinwa, Mimea,
Wama, Mimea.
Someone Bebene live, can perform live now. You go puni.
Very well.
Get to support into Zoma.
Okay, very well, very well. The Chanya, Mumu Carbona, I mean, especially fans, but that I was my antinima. I mean, they did very well. Come on, the Shabra food to the cabin Yabama. Nakupun fans ma beautiful.
Okay, Mpusungu Lango Commando 3 one comes as support to senior boon.
Okay.
And then Pusunchane Gabile.
Okay.
Aha, modern family in Wale, Agata Nation, B14. Mambu na number Shibos Abam Martilla Habar Banukushe Kadajima Damna. She's a man's is not nigh. Nayoku.
Okay.
Sachap Wumtown Lama.
Okay, very well.
Banyala Nubusi one man's on a pusun Terba Bakujeya. I'm a Pamakashi 69 la. Bakujeya Pinti.
This is a good Jaraka Bukubora.
There is a problem. So that Katis Zambenman Zwana number more because can you bake and lower man?
None the Chakacha, no Kuchaka, no Erin will smile and my 2-3 lines that he can answer the Palella and the book Chaka in studio. So teacher must smile and let's go. I'm at the
feel good, my baby, you make me feel good.
Allah Biare.
Feel good, my baby, you make me feel good. I have appetite on bed, my baby, you make me feel more. Stamina on bed, my baby, you make me feel more. You make me happy like payday. That's what they sing like Mugis, senior Mugis. I'm happy like payday. That's what they sing like Mugis, senior Mugis. Legaruma Biani, the Zoda beam, Yinis of them Zasayat Manaya. Dango Teshalanya, Gambozor da Bimbaleti di Shotia, Mona Chesmalia, Sekakrama mi Mama Nenji, Mona Chesmalia.
Okay.
What to my baby Wamona Chesmalia, Sekakrama mi Mama Nenji, my baby Wamona Chesmalia.
I don't know, second verse, ma. I call a Loshapoka, you feel in the man. I did not, baby man, no, we shut Bambu.
abona make it clear.
Ni mana ma bona umle kelele.
We busuba onon kolbe pergera. Obija pam kachan nyelsera. Turare onyu kolbe shavgera.
Wayo lampa kamu.
We busuba onon kolbe pergera. Obija pam kachan nyelsera. Turare onyu kolbe shavgera.
Kaya check out TSL Senior Bonjaraya. You can check out that song on social media. And be YouTube ya. Don't go to open woman. Yina ma yima nama. But Anto bon number shanga dem party screen mas 054 12733 70. Anto bon lele number no ma ka send the tire. We turning the cameras around. Mampu yela yetamala double tracks moya. This time crew man chana ya. Yes, a passion yela muntena. Wisha yela mumpiani. Ivan yela mumpiani. I mean artists masa have been supported. Fakari album launch Wali Sports Stadium. Now who knows something? If you have on the 14th man, Rusty is hosting the whole of Mampurugu inside the Wali Sports Stadium. For that matter, Rusty min crew man yela bambia studio mopunia. Bonjara mopuya the alreadiness. Kayel fans maza handaba kamya. We taking words from other artists ma. The Chankantanga den channel on NTV. Ne labna with the crew. Nene saya. Meme wari ala labna. Takuba nene saya. Mampuya la ya ake. Tenang bantini katite yetu apunia. Batuli tin lapu kapa amena sinful spices. Nelisi tomato mix into pa Mr. Red Motors. Ne poster join me ya. Mampuya la yeso double track system katiano. Na bantini karapuni. Great talent of an artist. And historic is going to make not just of East Region be Mampurugu yalama. I mean lena history mama ya. Had the Simpson Ghana mama katizanti sa ana de puni to host a concert at a spacious place like a stadium. Many people would think that it need an artist who waka bara, beko you waka bara. But this particular artist is a very young guy, smallish as he looks. He's an underground artist. Secondly, people think that he's not that popular to host this show at a spacious place like that. Maybe age-wise, deeper children have something who host the but the little didn't go known to host the show Wali Sports Stadium. They lived in it. I'm sure age-wise, Mune is the first person at that age, at that level of music career, not to host a show Lela Park at Javan Lepuni. Abaya. Historically, think connected to the but I'm talking about the Sanya, the Fakar Ivan launch inside the Wali Sports Stadium. Now, something if you're party on the 14th, as several Sheldon Benyanga can number let up Selmaka history my Mikia, Mapunya artist Pambian Makalela Shumay, for that matter, the Nakupila Biel for no tenant stadium Opuni, cutting every readiness, but preparedness, and Shumani and Changshamia. Yes, those are Rasti Mama, and Tupa Ivan on the mic, you're one of the rappers, I believe so much. In Northern Region, and the scary team represented. He'll be talking much about show money organization. I mean, advanced tickets, t-shirt, your career, float me here comes out the show mapuli. He'll be taking us through that one ma. Yes, Sahakari Chakati Rasti. I mean, start them as I mean, start them scary, son. You can check and start us and not borrowing in the poor families, man. Was but I can't believe in the common hand to no shoot park money.
Mangueza like Pakapushi, Mampuruguza, because Mampuruguza, like Boys Bishmani, Sarama, Kankotabrosoni, Industramaza, Guenzan La Pacas and Pulsuntaba, because they make me president.
Very well.
So, Guempula Utamaza.
Okay. Yes, that one Pamay and Somni Yanu Lava Cole. Nanga for problem and the Pulun Relemia, Jackane, Avamalisani. Scary. I mean, you guys seems to be the link between the artist and the fans. You know, see artist man, you know fans soon. Don't partially yell artist man, but not Shakar one of the fans man. You know, very soon. Would keep assess the fans man and the feeling the camera into no show while Wali Sports Stadium.
So, you're no just like to join the pump.
Okay.
To pensene nya hale yaba ko bordem za tele trabila no mbire bakachana
oyo
to yaba ko bor changa janga tan show
okay
demu ga ka show denne kachang bungwa that was buya
okay
no shoes ka tong you know
okay
the changa pump ba ka to boy ka fans ma yete the trying show Wali studio map for me.
Okay, so fans man making that request. Okay,
not to try and me by an underground artist. Card number you know on show. Because keep up on the channel design and then covering Pili be human being banner. Okay. No, she won't buy me a Vietnam Tamoso. Halatamalo Mamba, Yanko Lama. To Tomare Osines. Okay. You understand? Tomare Sapashine. Okay. Obiane. Catcha Iva Mama. Okay. Obiane. Catcha Didons. Okay. Catcha Wister. Okay. You understand? But Galicia Pump to Kuton the Bula, Senior Bonjara, Mama Bia Dashimani. No artists don't pump them. Okay. So Bazakutumbiani. You understand? Shuma child. Okay. Turned up with that shit. Okay. You understand? That means this is Bazaar Hanyala Delishan and Paka Shuma. Okay, that's very well. I mean, understandable. Yes. Tabunyale. Okay. Tabunyale. Bazaar Haymalsu. Show you know. Okay. So, Boba Tabo something. Kawansi Kabian did. Then Tabarla Tava, Neman. Okay. Wally Wallet and Tabarla Tava. Very well. Very well. Okay. Chakalela na Rasti something you know clearly. I mean, I have not can answer because you hosted the man. Because you know, while you do not can you so you landlords out to show Maya. So, Malaysia, I mean, Buka and Kutubi, Nuka and Kuti. We bring Yaka and Korga, Tipjana, Malaysia this summer. Rasti, I mean, you are very young. I started then I did you any pressure on you that I am no shoe back man. Pressure biazo. Oh, pressure on Ben Pump. Pressure be a me man I channel for the man that's why my man love pressure my yarn. Now you because you even call the man in so pressure on Ben Pump. But because I'm proud of Mamporogo. Of course. So I'm proud of like Mala proud in the Mamporogo. Okay. So like you taste the show my to Katitia Mayela, the being Kamayasa. So come in inshallah or make it success. Okay, definitely. The Bamba you're not in your car, Barbudir Pango way. Ubaya da kuna ababu mpangma unde ina fabu na ga ubara karbabu so da hu kabema. Yes, Ivan on the mic. Ivan, you want to start with rap, teacher man. Anything you just want to give the fan. Let me teacher man. If me pet go feel left rap, teacher man. Come, take him with this. But I'm parable, manazal the master keys. Zuku promo. Go and better your F's and E's. Okay. Come to Munafixi. All we need be real G's. Your Marsheba Masterma, no man, Bayola Manjini. Your Facebook, Vuru Maza, no Mangwini, Amas Karamaza, Kinaiva, Yama Mandini, Jawe, Demasai, Amin, Dana. Now, when the burning mistake about Zankalari, Ghana Karapa Humani, Mula Fahari, Starboy, Kakutundu, Nima, Bahari, Yapo, I don't name Mantama to check about Gari, Damar Mania, Rapes, Yachamata Baham, Dumianama Pan. Kaya, you bought some bang and you ready to try, Manda Boga, when you're Jerry's already tried, Kazuna Katipili, Tunguru, Katukuru Darba, Yurilla, one. Yes, host artist man, but I are straight out. While Sports Stadium now, there's something if you're on the 14th from Panama, as some Sheldon Beto on the Cana, now something if you're party. Iva, get a company in Tifila. I mean, this seems to be an area that I'm not very familiar with. While you Kashuma Kana. You need to hear how ready the people are. Who can fans my inner ready and you as an artist and a readiness to make the people feel happy. Okay. To kill a name. Okay. A man team. BBC. Okay. In a full BBC whatever. Big Boys Crew. Oh, okay. Team man. But in a full support. Okay. Brother man. Very well. Mama investigation. Zanzanurishan Kucham base man, just no research about Shoma. And then from their reply. Okay. Initially, and a very quick one, the teacher can't come here to our thing problem. Arami, one did not Garami, but we were. Show another here, correct, until the younger. So, Mama Ante Kanama, Abiatri Yabakan Shumoba. Because they don't show another here. I performed. Or after you know 1,000, I even performed 1,000 Ghana. Oh,
but my barangay.
Like explanation. Explanation.
Oh, okay. The song was about I make things clear to you.
Yes.
Okay, what really happened?
Yeah. My younger brother called me.
Okay.
Yeah, he spoke.
Just briefly come.
Yeah. No, come out. Marishu.
Okay.
Ulan sumushu kind of problem can gonna the some kokanda you happen for malati because I'm team manager number to call me. So then your shame that you call me about Katabanti and issue.
Okay.
Until then you call my no call manager can manage my busu na ala kuyantu.
Okay.
Ogo charge busu na ala kuyantu. O call man okuba nwa do as a machine.
Okay.
As a man.
Okay.
Until then call my man show man nzo wa charge me. So Kuburu Bosmania, if I'll be able to be part of the show, then include me. All of a sudden, Kantum Kabatwara FM station. Now I charge the 1,000 Ghana. They didn't give me an opportunity to also express myself. Okay. They didn't hear from me. So I thought it wiser. No, I need to come out with a track so that the fans will also know because Bantum Burman and Buari.
Yes. Okay.
So you know,
now explain what really happened.
So when you listen to the lyrics you know that come on.
I mean, I know how to explain the feeling. How to explain the fire. How to explain 1,000 ramen. You know that I'm going to do double. Oluruma bulaboku. Bokuburo oluruma. Nuzura no kumluru ba nyuwe langwa nazo yaka kare. No langwa tokolo yanda. Aya le boku. Safira zozo kuna shina mashika. Habra ne oh the sire. No that kola boga ba da hashia. Hey, Jakantiga Gabon Rasti, Fakar album launch my Amapunya first set in Buruma. Yes, some passionate in the golden. Of course, a mammy knew women wish I don't like you shall couple and no ma, Lela Yila woman. I mean, it is a banger. We'll be talking about that, of course. For that matter, we shall tell you and the young wise, guarantee some passion mama, one of the greatest performers in Northern region. Yes, take it or leave it. Yes, Munkwendela 2-3 ways, Katatani cameras around, Kasapashini, and we shall the young wise Kaboko can continue commitment to that show. Yes, scary child, and Katinya. On a very quick one, advanced case we know. Advanced case my Katini to I mean, Tina Kuborle. Tula.
In 2 years, she's a IB collection.
Okay, IB collection.
IB collection.
Okay, very well.
Massa Yusuf.
Okay, very well.
Be Mama.
Okay,
Tukunya Bashan.
Okay,
Nasia. In 2 years,
okay, Nasia. Okay, good. T-shirts, mommy. T-shirts, my baby,
okay.
T-shirts, brand shama. Soon to go move branding. T-shirts. I mean,
T-shirts, ma. Tomala shama.
Okay.
The kunya la sapoma.
Okay.
Kachishama.
Fakar album uncle sapaya. Kanache the mal picture ma.
Yeah, the mal picture ma.
Okay.
The mal picture ma unka ipo ale. Anto call.
Okay. Alan yale.
No,
30 Ghana cedi. Kanamal saboma bi ba. Design 30 Ghana cedi. So it depends on which one you want. I bought them by picture maybe I bought the sub number ma. Design Anto yale. So if you are watching us far and near, Mampuru London ka kubi kabor t-shirts kuma bi kabor advanced tickets. From what no ma shia. Number no party schema so Anto pick la number no ma. Later in the show no pol number no mata ya. But dinan kana leka Anto pick number no ma ka call t-shirt ka bor bi advanced tickets ka bora. Any way you want to support the show, yes, matapunya la show ma ngona Mampuru has I mean, this is a talented young guy who is coming through from Great Rocks to the actual in the studio. Maya, we all need to support. Rusty, I mean, you're not very close to the fans. I mean, always. I mean, but la fila, the Habadan can buy na yeleva so that when you need to support.
Manko Marshi is nanti Mampuru fan base maza. Be fan base come on, come be lulu kan katabun sonama. Kwen yeleva but I am nan tabun songshuma because kanyala nang kala Mampuru guzazugo.
Okay.
Bonang nakanzugo. Be jang them zugo.
Okay.
That Unkunang Kalaman Porguzago, by him Nakatana, no lot, 7 years.
Okay.
Because by Nikutun and select it in the gun. Anasana.
Yes, I hear that.
So, by Yelamama, no to like Umpalapakama, come on Kabayatama, okay, Mampurgudun Kabayatama, because come on Cocoyan Piana, show ma ka pale banya na bukshe banya ni to yina nke na pak ma ne ka kana wala kana to pale so Takashi ma banya yi kanta ba kama ne yi ga so ko yanzu Allah ka so wa ne ba da yin na ka tana wala ka ta yi la Takashi ma because ti divima mampurgo za villa kama koko so wada yin nan wala ka ta taro so ma ka da chance sefle kam kan show nyaka mampanza show nyaka
wonderful okay ni yimna ki setela record mo ba ya man punyara yiti yinti tare he puni yina fe nyalanga I'm sure that first time that bono ke younger at this age mo ma a level of music ma ko putru show at the stadium ya so opunya ne takama okuto yehle o ya record no sel pa kan show but no le ma kama this time around and it's very important very important I mean COVID man slow you down ma Ghana san hatiza hakulle nyanya ula katiye no tula ini jase tamanga tula feel the vibe that we have survived a very great Dwarukana Katutu survival ma. We're just trying to see if we'll be happy again and then we put it up show ma. I mean Wali is a virgin place for show no stadium you I mean Sapashini ndano Tidons ndano the fancy gadam ndano ma. I mean can still count fourth person when you know show Wali sports stadium ma. The mama ne yelte how grown Wali has gone to Handi go pam dana malla hankal kaman Wali la ya'lama na basana mali reaching on its own. There are so many things that would happen there, man. I understand command the groove has even gone beyond the Shamaya. And one of those things man entertainment Shamat. If the partially the Kashel we rated artists in Ghana, Kasako the Stone Boy, any of them, we want to put up a show at the Wali Sports Stadium. And they and Dalishali, then Nankashu and Punama. So Anyaka investors of feel come on, okay, Jansan Wali be Sako dear Kana Wali. And trust me, if an artist like that is coming to Wali, it will put a plus on Wali being reaching Masa Hanan by Yini. But that one would depend on show Shangadam Punang Niman Maya. Sakodi and member Banana, two Kanataman with no show. Then could be your own one again, that no shoe, no park and a Kawabanka, oh, 10 to Chishata Wali, Lambalama. Okay, on a very quick one, Mapuya, Yetomala, an artist, Kavakana, Sapashina Biana, Wishana Biana, young wise Babiani, to go and deal a flash of a break, Kazan, another artist, Kavakana Katia Shuma, to Aya, the Chankatara, then channel on NTV. It is all about Fakar Album Lord 14th, Wali Sports Stadium, Rasti, and the whole team is coming to love now.
Jungle Bar no Bocabadora, one more king of the jungle. Hansi Biyarga, Mupopana Kamarga, one more the most fasted and vibrant artists in the Northeast region. Don't you Bulaka and Bumio Tapana, Nababongo, Kunkuna Papa, Kumansole, one more Rasti. Sama ayu, one Lumapana, ayu, Yinde feeling is Sama ayu. Zelis House Entertainment Yalabanyirna with Rasti album la, catch up to you, Bolle, the Fakara album la, Fakara album la. Dale. Kamapuru Basadaya Yinabu Yimsasa. Katagansuma Kachabiari. There's a Racina Shakes and Queen. Ibiari. Parakumbahama. Larukumalama. Asabanda Yinata Tapson Rasti Fakara album. Manandanya Wischa. Jeful Sapashini. Striker the Dons. King Iva. Senior Bo. King Buddha. Omario CK. Risky Boy. Raskatongo. Town Fancy. Young Y. Bino Ball. Sonzi One. Iswida. Tanzi Baby. Fuzi Wuntini. Reka J. Lion 50. MT Khalifa. Buga One. Rastoni. Yaskobi. Don Alba. Enterprise many more surprising artists. Umadia. Fakara album like today and Zona now you guys at your party on the 14th August. Kardan Zemwale Wala New Sports Stadium. Aida Yenke. Regular Mara in your cool 15 Ghana City. VIP Mania 20 Ghana City. Sponsor Fakara album la. Nurchan Tabata. Bananya IB collection. Brand graphic. Humble Barbara Salou. Enterprise Infinity Unisex collection. Amatisha Sasha Okai Bora Advanced Sticky. Anyala IB collection Numsani. Eagle F. Wale F. YKF. Mr. Yusuf Gobe Tudwini. Enterprise Chairman Scary. Inside Janga. Media partners Magbamenya YKF. Eagle F. Nobia Radio. Wale F. Mabia Enterprise Bampai. Fakara album la. By Rasti. On the 14th August. Dayim Nakatu Wo Yurl. Santamana. Nivello Santamana. Santamana. Nivello Santamana.
Baby, Saya. The Chanakana Kugoma NTV, Mampuyala, yes, want to dedicate the whole program at the good people inside of East region. Wale Kabi, Nale Bukabi, Gambara Kabi, Landbins Kabi, Jankabi, Paru Kabi, overseas Kabi, Tunguru, Tinguri. Okay, Nimana Kabe Yadin Kakube of East Region Yalamaza, Netitega Kabang na won something if you paga a celebration Dukano 14th of August. The 14th of my history shall carry make ya. Nimana Anto Kana Antinia Laship shall the yen bid the Bilbian Kabolo in the Rasti, Lala Porca Kursumania Win, Tana Wali Sports Stadium, and Tissan Fakar album launches on Taya. Rate Anya Yusham Katimela 15 Ghana City. Date Mapunyala 14th Commander Punyalama, Bantian Bushima Karachana, I want to go for DJ Infinity, Eagle FM Yana William Jenia, and Tepa and Abno Hungarama, Hafizu Trenda, Mbaten Captain Animana, Katinya Shimani and Junction. Ate Shabanye support my Bangalisia, Kuyi, okay, you know my uncle to what is a senior Bonjara, Ivan Yana William Bieni, Mushan Yana William Bian Sapashini, Didonsi, Yarma Banya, okay, Kalabna Studio Makatinia Sapashini to Wishan, the young wise, but what readiness Ninja Shams out to show Maya. You can start this Sapashini because he seems to be a senior one. Moving your first person so will no shoe. Parker Jamuma Puni. Jacatecano Santinia Ashil Sheldon Biani, I didn't social Biani, Miss Sarah Sheldon, Karasti, non Catana, okay, Sapashini. Yeah, Cariola. Oh, I love you, yeah. In the Massaniola. So come to Soccer. Yeah. The album Mariana performed well. I'm sure you monitor on social handles for sure. And I drop video by video in the album.
Oh, ma, to Paco channel the videos now.
Okay.
So very soon, Shan like in Villa Abba.
Very well. Okay. All right. Look at your tracks, my etwa. But no quick one, man. You your first person will not Baumiano Kukati you back, man. You go some Safi take up. Kayule. To pump out to Zunu Bora Shafi, man.
Hey, man, be so one thing. Bison one to Villa. Okay. Now, so I had a very Sabuka. Okay. Ushuma to Akuzori, when Yama. I look you Allah because Rasti Shala like Uyala Kamadima Pilema. Yeah. Uyala by any Uyala, oh, Kandagram. Okay. Understand? You want Kanibana Kandagram. Yeah, of course. Sure. So we shot and Saffron. Okay. You are my Yuaba. Abba. So come to Socam, come and do one Pokuyama. Yes. The Palakaman Sapashiko commercial can pan Pakma. Understand? Yeah. Zalia Casa shoe benefit Piampani, Kazalia Casa shoe benefit Piampani. This thing, region Mabi territory, yeah, at the Labugrama. Of course. So come. You're in your numbers, you understand? Okay. Déjà tant que Parkman nan, on call artist de Pam. Okay. Yinma yelba. A brother, but you man to show man Parkman in shoe. Okay. The Guanji you wrong. Okay. Understand? Yeah. So artist Bulcano. Understand? Okay. And like a man Ibang Pamuman Dolba. That's who I want to do.
Okay, young wise. Yeah. I mean, I love you. Yes. The one challenge I mean, you are some of the guys kind of up in the industry, man. And a colleague of yours, man, you didn't know the show, man. We are keeping support. I mean, it's an inspiration to you guys. If I Rasti no, I'm going to Nyambo come no after Rasti ni Yumbanity. Am I she don't want to marry she pump. Okay. Until Rasti one was like Udangana Bela. Gotcha Bayan was on their camp. There's a representing overseas and Lama. Okay. It's a Rasti Mama me population Shaman Caribbean. Yeah. And Uguang Bama and support to program and Kazamana. Mumpan and Nerva. That was some of the catch. And the Kunan Katabata Marco Yinan was some water song. Because the Kunan song at Tama. Kamaso Marki was support to then he great Mara. So yes. And there's a way in a Garania Nico Coin organized show. Eco fans could talk. Yes. So all out overseas someone at a prepare Kapam. Because through on fan base man contacted our Rusty programmer. But man feel up on no by Marishirundu. Okay. Yes. All right. We feel free. Okay. Overseas, one at the very well. Yes. No good to have no 14 for you. That's the Maya. No overseas, no man. Young wise here and they represent them a very well. At the Yadin Chanchamia. Which child? Yes. Which child in particular? Omi Rasti woman Yalabanda Tropilla. And that song is a very, very great song. yiri nyasile pa lir mo kama sometimes feature shangana to na karwala le jam de la pone but I'm sure we share the look at that angle kapu you know all out in that song ma yes nangma Wizzy your relationship with Rasty ula kara nan kata bon
mami Rasty is a brother
okay
him ta ga san yar so kan ka budu underground artist kan am pon ma en fon pa
yes
so ka budu underground artist ka di feel kama san ya underground
yeah
degree da so kan
yeah
Rasty started with the step show mara kan bara start
yeah sure of course
2018 kan kumin the show that started at 12 a.m. Got it close to 2 a.m. Imagine. So like things like this.
And today you are here.
Today I am here. You understand? To support a brother.
Yes.
So Pac-Man one, inshallah, to go and the gas that channel. Money are you got no shoes.
Yeah.
So it's just enjoy the.
I mean, drop a bank on the map.
Understand? Man, not just here the child. Man, not just here. So the system that you know, mommy, why that's an embarrassment. No, the system prepared. Yes, I am.
Hey, yes.
You know, the top song to Jimo got a champion on the 14th for the sports stadium.
All right.
At the Kanima.
You better hear it to happen. Put them to freestyle. I'm going to share it. I'm going to share it. Get Fukati and let's go.
Demandema basa. Be ala jama obakala. Abajami kabampa zora. Be wula zabambala biankam. Baby kwa tutabel. Mbaki bani. Ayala mo shebuku ni pen.
Wayo.
Oh my darling. Darling. Jalakwe subu kajolema. Wala kamboni kishilima. Ezo kambamba mpelewa. If I be Davido, be my chioma. Oh, ma, oyankuma, sapashino merman never talk us. Lola, why you be gola? And then you go la man dance. With you for that, I'm say, I dey try. If you do mistake, she go regret. You go do it. So imagine that program.
I can hear the 15 Ghana in the regular, 20 Ghana in the VIP. Wale Sports Stadium on the 14th of August in Balama. We shall Sapashini striker the dozi Ken Iva. Ntepa Senior Bonjara, Ken Buddha, Omario CK, Risky Boy, Ntepa Rasco Tongo, Ntepa Fans, Lil Fancy, the Lil Jabumbalama, Young Wise, Yama Yaya, oh, Chadena, it's with that, Tansy Baby, Nufuzi, Wumpini, I mean, Lion 50, hey. Last you are not too much on you. Tell you from where I know too much of you are, but I'm sure you know yourself that you were representing now this on the 14th Maya. Nesama Garia. Sapashini, there's a guy's entity. I mean, no, that's a letter, beautiful.
Hustling together, eating together, sleeping together, everything together. Kasura, praying hard, working hard. The Jalan Jacob Yagunum Tabata, Itazacha, better Puni, Malata Puni, Nang Dabai, Nang Dabata, Kanamaja to Dadua, Kalwaregati, Amakazahamati, Kadamaula, Uzantaza, Ariziki, Zatanevogini, Udiazo, Confuciazo, Jergunyana, Utambushaka, Utamtuya. We there before the money come, so make you put your one really shine. But Magala Pumalazara, Magala Pumalazara, we see a dead, Ojene Kaira, Ojene Kaira, Ojene Kaira.
This particular song is my favorite in that album. Listen, the new fans get up on the picture, no favorite in Balamaya. I'm one you know, I'm fans get up no collaboration. Okay, teacher in the Maza, young was just a free flow. I'm going to my show. Nessa Hamagarea, cut the chop say.
Oh la 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 la, young was a Laulana Banga, number one lady Calabasa. Mankusa Chaka Chendulswa. I love you at the bottom of my heart. Now, Sarakane Kayan Zamajulum Wafutum, Asikela. Them the jealous Banja Shelamagat and the Masikela. I'll forever love you, my baby Sikela. I'll forever be with you, my baby Sikela. So your man, the Burbu Kambari Masikela. I love you. And tell him about Bagamilian.
This is how I get it. I won't decide any money. But my number was 0544551871. Once again, 0544 0551871 05505 94821. Again, number okay, 054 Canon 4 ya, Canon 551871. Number 1 number Canon 055 05 94892. Limited screen the mass or number the map. I didn't about advanced tickets. We about t-shirts, ma. Any information about Fakar album launch, ma. Wali Sports Stadium. You call them la number the Maya. Scary and the team Mazaha when responded to that at the boundary and Nosham Karachan Yalanga. You to Awala Lakarapuni, Sapashin confirm Nubiania. Yes, I've to confirm Nubiani. Woshal is coming through. That's the hits of the moment, man. But Woshal is coming through with the whole crew, Maya. There's no reason to stay back. Yes, even if you are not coming just because you think that, hey, you don't want to come, but there's a whole lot on the bill, man. Karasimson Kanaya, but Wali, Mampurugudi Yadamazaha, Takambuno Kikananiti, Yapanya Monkey Karate support. These are the chaps that we want them to grow into the future. We shall thank you so much for coming. Yes, no kumnaza on one line, Tama.
Babu Selma, Tadinya Serapia, and yes, Selma, Adambula, Naga Sabta, Mamina, Shepa, Sarga,
now something of your father Asabra and the whole team is 100% me. I'm up we coming through. Yes, I surprise him Maya. I'm coming with a surprise of an artist on that particular bill. So make sure you are available that night. First time in Nabono, Katidonzi, Mr. Pashine, and Wishal, and Ivan Makabe performing together on one stage at the Wali Sports Stadium. Hey, show me my PB. Now something of your party. We coming to Marhaba. Marhaba yenda biye salma ka bang bahgar kwabga nudurgo changso kan nusa propanga to amani ku nyeshel kam ya salma yim ka sateno kulun ko lan ko man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trender. We out. Bye bye. Salam.